Allotment Live. Thanks for joining me. Happy New Year to everyone. It's a cold and very windy start to the year, but I've come to the plot to get a few things done. I want to try and clear the pots, empty any remaining pots at the side of my shed, and I can save the compost and reuse that elsewhere. And also I've got my seed catalogue to have a look through because I need to be making my order soon. Okay, because it's super windy, you probably won't be able to hear me very well, but these are the last few remaining pots I need to try and empty today and tidy up for winter. I'm running out of space in my wheelbarrow now. I've emptied a few pots and this lot can go in the compost. Alright, that's a good job done. It's got much colder and much windier whilst I've been doing that. But let's go and have a look at the area now. My wheelbarrow is full of compost to be reused, so I don't have space for any more. But I've emptied a bunch of pots down there. Emptied that one, but nowhere to put the compost. And I didn't do that as there's no space for the compost. This is my little heater that I got for Christmas, so I'm going to get that turned on now and try and heat up a bit. Nice. I'll put that down here and warm up for a little bit. So far, I'm really impressed with this little heater. Whilst we're in the shed warming up and taking a break, let's have a look at the seed catalogue. This is the catalogue that I like to use. It's from King's Seeds and you can order it online and they send it to you for free. It's really good. It's got everything you need. Flowers, veg, herbs, soft fruit, potatoes, all sorts. So I've been having a look through this in recent days and making my list of what I need to order. Parsnips, yes, we're going to order the Gladiator parsnips. There are so many things to choose from though, it is a little bit tricky. I don't get all of my seeds from King's because I do like to wander around the garden centre and get some there. However, they are a little bit more expensive at the garden centre, so it's good value to buy them from King's Seeds. And I know that they're really good quality because I've been using these for a couple of years now and I've been recommended them from people who've been using King's Seeds for many years. I've warmed back up now, so let's head outside into the cold and the wind and have a look around the plot. No sign of Mabel yet today. Temperature went down to 4 degrees in here last night. Let's reset. It's definitely going to be getting colder in the next week or so. These are my bulb lasagna pots that I planted the other day. And I've still got all of this drying. I haven't done a bonfire yet. The rules around bonfires at our allotment site are really quite strict, and it only specifies certain days, certain times of the year, and if the weather doesn't match up with that day, then you have to wait another month. So as yet, I've not been able to have a bonfire. But I really do need the weather and the rules to align, because we need the space in the greenhouse. There's really not much going on out here. But as you can see, we've started digging this area at the front of the plot. We did this the other day, but I didn't have the camera. So we've just got a little bit more to do. I've been pottering around the plot doing a little bit more, but it's super windy and it's time to pack up for the day. At the end of each weekly vlog, I include wildlife camera footage so you can see what's been going on at the plot since we were last here. So that is coming up next. Enjoy that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. This polytunnel door has blown completely open. So I'm just going to go and shut that now because I'm not confident that will survive. Hopefully that will help hold it together during this very windy couple of days we've got coming.